It's time for us to practice all the letters and sounds. In this activity, you are going to choose the odd one out. Now let's start. Nurse, orange, neck. Have you got the answer? Well done. The odd one out is the word orange. Let's say it. Orange. Let's continue. Queen, quiet, pencil. Which one is the odd one out? That's right. The odd one out is the word pencil. Let's say it. Pencil. Next one's panda, noodles, purple. Have you got the answer? Well done. The odd one out is the word noodles. Let's say it. Noodles. Next ones. Question, order, orange. Which one is the odd one out? That's right. The odd one out is the word question. Let's say it. Question. Next ones. Pin, queen, lollipop. Have you got the answer? Well done. The odd one out is lollipop. Let's say it. Lollipop. And the last ones. Lion, box, fox. Which one is the odd one out? That's right. The odd one out is the word lion. Let's say it. Lion. Do you want to play a game now? Alright, this game is called Words Hunter. You are going to find the words with the sounds that I tell you. Are you ready? Let's start. First, you will find the words with the sound N. Have you finished? Let's check the answers. The words with the sound N are noodles, nail, net, pin, man, lion. Let's say the words together. Noodles, nail, net, pin, man, lion. Next, you will find the words with the sound Qu. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Have you finished? Let's check the answers. The words with the sound Qu are quiet, question, queen. Let's say together. Quiet, question, queen. Now you will find the words with the sound P. Are you ready? Let's go. Have you finished? The words with the sound P are pig, pen, purple, pants. Let's say the words together. Pig, pen, purple, pants. Finally, you will find the words with the sounds O. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Have you finished? The words with the sound O are orange, order. Please repeat. Orange, order. Wow, you found all the words. You're an excellent word hunter. Before we stop, I have a question for you. Can you find more words with the sounds N, O, P, Qu? Let's review. Today we learnt about some letters and sounds. Let's say letter N, 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 nurse. Lion. Letter O, O, orange. Letter P, P, pen, lollipop. Letter Q, Qu, queen. That is the end of our lesson. Goodbye and see you in the next Super Memory for Schools program.